Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the MoeeTech GLITTER65 HE. It's a 65% Hall effect gaming keyboard with really great specs in a unique polycarbonate case. Starting from $80, there's two versions available with 5 colors and 3 switch options to choose from. In this video, I have the Pro version with the preview obsidian black case, and I'll be testing all of the 3 switches. Included in the box is a few extra keycaps, a Type-A to Type-C cable, a set of extra keycaps which are custom MoeeTech Glitter Cherry Profile keycaps, a free glitter bag R2 if you get the Pro version, and the keyboard which weighs just over 840 grams or 1.8 pounds. Moving on to the design, the keyboard has a compact 65% layout in a semi-translucent polycarbonate case, with some aluminum alloy inserts and a sleek rounded design on the sides, the Type-C port in the middle on the back, and 4 non-slip feet on the bottom. Besides that, the keyboard comes with custom semi-translucent double-shot PBT keycaps that are cherry profile, Glitter Pro Hall effect switches, which includes the ProG Ultra Linear that has a low-pitch clacky sound, ProSilk Ultra Linear which sounds more high-pitched, and ProU Ultra Silent switches that are really quiet. Next, the keyboard also has PCB-mounted stabilizers that are pre-looped with minimal rattle, a polycarbonate plate that is super flexible for a responsive typing and gaming feel, a 2-pin hot swap Hall effect PCB that is gasket mounted, and 2 sound dampening mods which includes a Poron plate foam and a Poron case foam to make the keyboard sound fuller. Carrying on to the customization, the GLITTER65 HE supports the MoeeTech web-based driver. With this, you can remap the layers and keys, enable and configure SOCD or SnapTap for gaming, set the exact actuation point from 0.1 to 3.5mm for all of the switches, and update the firmware for the keyboard here. Diving into the specifications, the keyboard has an 8000Hz polling rate for ultra-low latency at just 0.125 milliseconds, a 128,000 scan rate for 0 input lag while gaming, a rapid trigger precision up to 0.005mm for really precise movements, and a hyper-sampling algorithm in the Pro version to make it even better. For the testing, I mainly used it in Marvel Rivals, and honestly the experience was awesome. The inputs were instant with no latency at all, and I was able to react and move precisely in-game. Of course, this keyboard will perform better for first-person shooters, but was great as well for fast-paced hero shooters like Marvel Rivals. Anyway, here is some gameplay with the keyboard followed by the typing sound test. Please enjoy. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the MoeeTech GLITTER65 HE. Starting at just $80, it's honestly a great price for a Hall effect keyboard. The specs are impressive too, with an 8000Hz polling rate, ultra-low latency, and a 128,000 scan rate for a fast and reliable gaming experience. Plus, it even supports a web-based driver that allows for even more customization. Design-wise, it's a more unique Hall effect keyboard with a semi-translucent rounded polycarbonate case, which pairs nicely with the custom keycaps, and there's even a silent switch option available if you're into that. So if you're interested in the GLITTER65 HE, it will be linked in the description below, and that does it for this video. Thanks to MoeeTech for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.